This tutorial demonstrates how to add and join a new table into an existing data gene project and introduces new column data types. You can watch more on our YouTube channel or see examples from our online help. Use the link at the top to log in. Select an existing project to add the new table. Click on Add a New Table link. Give the proper name. Define the number of rows you want for this table and click the check button to create the table. Now we can create the columns for our new table, orders. First, we will create the order ID. Select from the drop-down list of column categories the identifiers and lookup. Fill in the options. And then click on Check button. For the second column we will use the date, data type. Select from the drop-down list of column categories the value, dates. And from the type drop-down, the date time. Type in, or select from the calendar button, the minimum and maximum date. And click on the check button again. The next column will be the product ID. From the drop-down list of column categories we will select the numeric type. And then we will change the type to uniform random integer number. We want to have 3 different products, so we will use the IDs 1, 2 and 3. Now we will add the quantity column. We will use the uniform random integer number. But this time we will correlate the values to product ID. Click on the Add New Value link, to add the quantity values for the first product. Then continue with the values for the second product. And finally the values for the third product. Review the quantity values entered for each product and return back to columns. Now, let's add the unit price column. Again we must correlate the values for this column with the product ID column. We will use the uniform random decimal number this time and we will select the normal distribution type. For each product we will set the price with the mean and we will enforce to have always the same price with 0 standard deviation. The same with the price of the second product. And again with the third. Review our prices. The order amount column will be based on more advanced features. One of the advanced category types is the SQL expression. This type enabled the advanced user to enter any valid SQL expression using the existing columns. Our final column is the one that will be used to join our new table of orders with the existing table of customers. First, we must select from the drop-down list of column categories the identifiers and lookup. Then, the referring join. Based on the previous selection the options are changed to capture the lookup table and lookup field. Now we have finished with the definition of the columns of the new table. Notice that we have 2 tables in our project. Click on the Preview button to create the data for both tables. First, click to view the data in the Customers tab. Click on Orders tab to view the data for the new table. This tutorial demonstrates how to add and join a new table into an existing data gene project and introduces new column data types. You can watch more on our YouTube channel or see examples from our online help.